What's up, guys? I am back. So I got a pretty awesome Ford truck here that I want to show you guys. I got the owner here too, and he's gonna explain to us like kind of what he did and everything. It's a 2003, but it looks like a 2018. That thing looks brand new. So, all right, man. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Hey,
My name is Max.
Max. So Max, what can you tell us about your truck?
It started as a 2003 Power Stroke 4x4, and
over here a little bit.
The only thing stock on it right now is the body. Everything else has been fully built, from the motor, transmission, full powder coated frame, custom suspension, polished everything.
So did you buy this truck, like stock completely?
Yeah, bone stock. Yeah.
And what got you into like building it? Like, why'd you decide to build such a crazy lifted truck?
I've been building trucks since I was a kid. I usually built bag trucks.
Oh, so you usually went for the lower stuff?
Yeah, but nobody could see the work that went into it, so I decided to build a lifted truck to showcase what we do.
Oh yeah.
Now you can see everything, every little piece.
Oh yeah, I bet everybody can see him when he's driving down the road. Over any car, you can see this huge lifted truck. No, I have a lifted truck too. It's just a 2018 Chevy Silverado. It's a gasser. I know I'm gonna get a diesel soon, guys. Don't hate me for that. But it has a 10.5-inch lift, and that's kind of like already pretty tall. Yeah. But that's insane. Airbags and stuff too. So is this a full?
Yeah, full air ride suspension. All computer controlled, so it has auto leveling, presets for towing, presets for daily driving. I can lift it 3 inches higher, 7 inches lower, and it rides like a Cadillac.
It rides really good?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. No, that's awesome. What else was I gonna ask? Oh, so it's probably the most common question we ask, but how did your gas mileage change? Is it like non-existent?
Yeah, I definitely didn't build it for fuel mileage.
Yeah,
I think it's probably about 8 or 9 on a good day if I don't have my foot in it.
You want fuel mileage, good electric car or a Prius, right?
100%, yep.
So, and then the King coilovers, actually, King coilover shocks.
Yeah.
What do you have in the back?
42-inch tall tires.
Atturo tires?
Yeah, Atturo tires.
Oh, how do you like the Atturo tires?
I love them.
Because I hear like mixed reviews about them.
I love them. I have them on 3 of my own personal vehicles.
Okay.
They make like no noise. These have actually been on here for about a year. They still look brand new. They've been great.
Yeah, it looks like there's quite a bit of tread still, tread still left.
Yeah, and I've driven this thing quite a bit since then. Designed and built all the suspension in-house.
So wait, you built the suspension yourself? Do you own like a shop or something?
Yeah, I own a shop in Phoenix, Double X Designs. We do lifted trucks, side-by-sides, stereos, pretty much anything aftermarket.
Yeah, that is awesome. Like, what got you into building trucks and everything? Was that like always like a hobby of yours to make stuff look bigger?
Yeah, my dad always messed with cars, and so when I was in high school, I built my first custom truck to drive, and just kept getting better and better after that.
Yeah.
It's what I do.
So is this like the most baddest and biggest build you've done?
Yeah. This one for sure.
Oh yeah, you gotta showcase that one. Yeah. No, this is crazy. What are the reactions that you get when you're driving down the road?
There's a lot of people that don't like it.
Yeah.
But I didn't do it for them. I did it for me. I have fun driving this. I like looking at it. There's a lot of people that like it too.
As long as you love driving it, that's it. What do we have in the back?
Air ride again. Even bigger King shocks. Huge exhaust from MagnaFlow. Full powder coated frame. Painted fender wells.
So every inch of this truck is touched.
Yep, every inch.
And you built the traction bars and everything all yourself too?
All the suspension. We got full air management under there, train horns, bodyguard bumpers, and a custom hitch so I can still use it. You see that wall is definitely going to use it.
Yeah. So, can you tow with the lifted truck?
Yeah, absolutely. I just put more air in the airbags, and this thing tows like a dream. I've taken it to Glamis, towed customers' vehicles around, boats, no matter what, it'll take it.
Yeah.
That's what it's built for, to use.
Oh yeah, true. Well, the controversy is like people think they have an opinion that if you lift a truck, your center of gravity lifts, and that's pretty much like pulling with the truck is just non-existent anymore.
Yeah, you just can't tow a fifth wheel, so I have another truck to tow my fifth wheel with, and this tows everything else.
Well, if you lift the fifth wheel and make it
right,
lifted too,
Real
maybe.
Lifted, yeah.
But then you're gonna look like a semi-truck going down the road with a 42, foot trailer or something.
Right.
No, that's crazy, man. This truck is beautiful. I'm gonna get some shots of it to kind of show people what it looks like now. But hey, thanks
awesome. Nice to meet you.
for the time.
Thank you.
And you have a really beautiful build here. All right, guys. Well, you heard it here. So I found the owner of this beautiful truck. We got some insight of what he did, what got him into even doing this. You know, it looks like his dad was always working with cars and trucks, and that's how he got it. That's how I got into a tint shop as well, and like actually building my own trucks and cars. Like I've always had that passion for that, and same with him. You know, that's awesome. Let me just go around the vehicle. All right, that's a huge tip. That's crazy. You got the air ride right here. It's kind of dark, but if it focuses it, there's the air tanks right here. Air tanks, air compressors are there on the side. Got the whole air management system right there. Like he said, everything is powder coated. Everything on this truck is touched. Everything's powder coated. It's crazy. The level of detail that's put into this build is just crazy. Got the rigid lights right here. Got the bodyguard bumper, which just really like fits the aesthetics of this truck. Got all the sponsors right here. He did all this custom by himself. Unbelievable. Alright guys, I got you guys some shots of this awesome truck. This thing is crazy. Yeah, guys, so if you guys like the video, if you guys like this truck, just comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.